Hello and welcome back to Skill. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut video in HitFilm. So let's get started. Begin by opening HitFilm Express and importing your video footage. You can do this by clicking Import in the Media panel or by dragging your video file directly into the software. Drag your video clip onto the timeline. This is where we will perform the cutting or trimming to edit the video content. Locate the slice tool in the toolbar or press C on your keyboard to activate it. Click on the timeline at the point where you want to make the cut. This action divides the video into segments at that point. Select the segment you want to remove by clicking on it. Press the delete key on your keyboard to remove the selected section. Play back the edited video to preview your cuts and ensure the video flows seamlessly without the removed segments. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at Skill. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.